Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now today I'm going to do what everybody should like this. Doner kebabs. Iceland, they were £2. I also got kebab wraps. They're from Aldi, 90p they were. So I'm going to try it. Now I've done myself a bit of salad, and I've also got from Aldi some yoghurt and mint. That was 99p. So we'll try that. See how we cook these. Frying pan. Hot frying pan, heat and turn meat. Simple enough. With the hot frying pan. Don't know if you can see that. Put it in and just keep turning for a few minutes and it should be done till it's hot. So let's get cooking. Well, that's them there. That's it. It's frozen, but it says cooked and frozen. Some long ones. So we'll chuck it in the frying pan and see how it gets on. It doesn't say put any oil in the pan. So do what it says, I suppose. We'll see. Well, I'm going to stick them in the pan. I'm going to stick them on a medium heat. Put 3 pieces in, I don't want to do loads. While that's doing, these say do them under the grill. But I'm going to do them in the frying pan as well. I'm going to do them on the griddle. Just see what they're like. So I'll get these on as well. I'll open these up. That's them there. They say they take 3 minutes each side. That's in the grill. Griddle will be the same, I suppose. So I'll get the griddle on and I'm just going to stick that in there. And we'll see how it comes out. Well, they're cooking away nicely now. They look a bit dry, to be honest with you. It doesn't say put no oil in to start with. I could have put some butter in, I suppose, but I want to do it as it says. What about the bread? Yeah, that's cooking nice, looking nice. So this says just cook until they're hot. I mean, it was frozen, so it might take a few more minutes. Could have defrosted it first, I suppose, but it says not to, so it's best cooked from frozen. So, well, I think the bread's done. Bread's done, looking nice. Look, it's hot, that is. So we'll put that on there. Wait for the meat to do. Right, that's nearly done now. Looking nice. Bubbling away nicely now. Might another 2 minutes. So while that's doing, I'm going to get myself some mint yoghurt. There's quite a lot there, but it doesn't matter. Let's get myself some salad, put it in the middle. A few tomatoes. Right, that's done now. All done. Took about 6 minutes, I think, altogether. Hope it's cooked in the middle. I haven't tasted it. We'll find out. Let's dish it up. 1, 2. Get the third one on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to roll this up. It's quite a bit there. There it is. Looking nice. Will I be able to roll it? Bit too much. Maybe if you turn it that way, might be a bit better. Oh yeah. There it is. Lovely. Well, let's give it a taste test. Nice simple one that. A few minutes. And it's done. Right, there we go then. Looks nice. Let's give it a taste. It's going to go everywhere again, this. Oh, that mint yoghurt's nice. Very nice. The bread's a bit chewy. But it tastes just like a chip shop. Wow. That's amazing. That yogurt and mint's lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. That's a thumbs up for me, definitely 100%. As I say, I am the old food guy. Nice cheap food. Let me know if there's anything you want me to cook. Till the next time. See you later. Yum, 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 yum. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Gorgeous. Can't go wrong. Took about 7 minutes to make. Bye bye.